my seat away. Better watch all my emotions. Need a few brews, need a palm tree. I be drinking in private, don't call me to party though. Fuck up your nigga for cardio. Too good if he fell in love right away. I'm a little late away. Hold on. Did you say you're on your way?
Hey guys, welcome back to my video. My name is Shivy. All of these boxes are from 2025. I want to get all of these out the way. I need to start using everything right now. I have so much stuff. Yeah, I need to start using these stuff like right now. So let's get into the video.
You give me butterflies, got me falling in the deep end of your disguise. Spark with the honey lights, so I feel this might be my goodbye.
These are the ultra fine mesh strainer bags, and it comes in a set of 4. Yeah, it comes in a set of 4. It's reusable, it's washable, and it comes with the handle that you can insert at the top. And yeah, it also comes with the manual how to insert the handle, and that's pretty much it. Yeah.
You drive too fast, my burning crash, taking the back seat. I'm done with that. Let's see the type to leave me confused, in a maze, trapped in your rules. Many try to cleanse me of you, but my heart, you give me butterflies.
Every household need one of these. This is a vegetable chopper. Yeah, it's a multi-purpose, and you can use for like different type of vegetable. Your onion, your scallion, tomato, cucumber, like every seasoning you can use this. Like it have like different dicer, grater, it have different blades. I need this, I kind of late but my reach. Like every household needs one of these. I hate chopping vegetable, I hate chopping onion. Like, why am I crying? I hate it. And I have mine, I get mine. I'm so excited, oh my god. The time has come. The time is finally here. And these are the parts. Like, I don't know where to start. Like, it has the different dicers, like different size. Oh, I get this is the tray. Yeah, I'm right. Put it on. Is it like this? Yeah. You just put your fruits, put your vegetable right here, your seasoning. And you just, yeah, and we'll have the different parts. You can change it depending on which vegetable you're chopping and the size that you want. And it comes with a manual. You can read it to know which vegetable you'd use what on. And you can just chop as you go. And it's neat, it's small, And yeah, every home need this. Every home. And I kind of late with my reach. I get mine. I can't stop crying while I'm chopping my onions. This is the handheld fabric steamer, and I got this like all the way in September, October last year, so you know that's a very long time. I bought these to steam my curtains because I hate using the iron. The iron, it takes so long. Anybody that has like blackout type curtain, you know when you have to iron them, that's the struggle that I normally have. And I get this to, you know, just help me out. I never use it, and we are here today to do the unboxing. Yeah. Ain't no other way that I can spend it. This is a water filtration system, and I got it I think it was like 2 weeks after Hurricane Melissa. I was fearful that we would have water shortage and I would have to start filtering the pipe water, and I got this just as a little backup, just in case we start having water shortage. So this is it. You can put it on your kitchen counter. You can fill the top. And this is a dispenser, and it's pretty neat. You just place it on the counter, and yeah, voila. Who knows? But I like it. It's neat. It's pretty neat. I also have some Palmer's face oil. Like I have a bunch of these. Like this is what I normally use to moisturize my face. Yeah. Everybody and their grandmother have a NutriBullet or have something similar. This is the NutriBullet Pro. So I had something. I think I have the NutriBullet. I didn't have the Pro, and it broke. I have some frozen fruits that I need to start using. We're in 2026 and we need to be on the healthy train. Yeah. How do I feel with this episode? I'm feeling like a lot of protection. I think we feel very
All my silhouette, better watch all my emotions. Need a few brews, need a palm tree. I be drinking in private, don't call me to party up. Fuck up your nigga for cardio. Too good if he fell in love right away. I'm a little later away. I'm being used, I'm playing stupid, don't fake it cool. I don't know that shit I'm being screwed. You're feeling clueless, that's how you do. I don't want none of that shit that me by the store. Far like I don't recognize me. Far cause I let you define me. I'm far cause I can't trust nobody. Far, stay far, so far.
the last one, and this is an air fryer. And for 2026, I want small waist. One waist, and we need to start using this. That's a bad boy. Guys, are your friend normally that heavy? It is so heavy.